Building a passive income YouTube channel does not require showing your face, buying expensive gear, or spending hours editing. In fact, ambient and lofi channels are pulling in millions of views right now just by looping relaxing visuals and audio. The secret? Most of these channels are built entirely using a simple AI engine strategy. Today, I am pulling back the curtain to show you the exact step-by-step workflow to build an automated ambient video from scratch using only 2 premium tools you probably already own. Let's build a cozy rainy night in a magical library loop and show you how to turn it into a long-form video asset. Step 1 is generating our core visual asset. We are using ChatGPT Plus with GPT Image 2.0. To get a high-quality, professional result, your prompt needs to be highly descriptive and locked into a widescreen format. Here is the exact prompt I used. A cozy, whimsical library during a heavy rainy night. Large arched windows showing rain pouring down outside. A crackling fireplace, warm glowing lamps, and a cup of tea steaming on a dark wood desk. Aesthetic, clean anime illustration style. Highly detailed, vivid colors. Aspect ratio 16:9. Once ChatGPT generates your image, download the highest resolution version to your desktop. Step 2 is adding movement. A static image will not keep viewers engaged for long. Take your new image and upload it into the free tier of Kling AI. Give the AI simple instructions to animate only the background elements. Type in, "Camera is completely still." Add realistic heavy rain falling outside the window, soft steam rising from the teacup, and flickering ambient firelight from the fireplace. Loopable. Then, hit generate and download your 5-second animated video clip. Now, because we are using a free Kling account, the exported video will have a small AI watermark in the corner. We want our channel to look 100% professional, so here is a quick free workaround. Head over to Canva and open a blank video project. Upload your animated clip and place a clean, stylish text box directly over the watermark featuring your channel name, Rainy Moonlight. Match the font to your brand style, export the clean video from Canva, and just like that, the watermark is gone and your brand presence is locked in. Step 3 is the audio soundscape. Instead of burning your ElevenLabs credits on background noises, head over to Pixabay. It's completely free for commercial use. Search for and download a heavy rainstorm track, a crackling fireplace atmosphere, and some lofi study beats. Step 4 is assembling the final product. Open up a basic video editor like iMovie, drop your clean, watermark-free video clip onto the timeline. Select the clip, copy it, and paste it repeatedly until your timeline reaches your desired length, aiming for 10 to 30 minutes to start. Next, drag your downloaded rain sounds, fireplace crackles, and lo-fi music tracks directly underneath the video loops. Adjust the volume sliders so the nature sounds are clear, but the music sits softly in the background. Hit export, and your long-form ambient video is officially ready for YouTube. By launching an ambient channel alongside your digital creator tutorials, you create a powerful cross-promotion loop. You can use your main channel to teach the workflow, while your ambient channel generates passive watch time, ad revenue, and traffic for your digital products. If you want the exact text prompts used in this video, check the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. You can also check the description for any helpful links or resources I mentioned. Keep growing your creator skills, one simple step at a time. See you in the next video.